To get rid of queued for emails on Gmail, follow these steps. Number 1, open the Gmail app. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone or go to the Gmail website on your computer. Number 2, check your outbox. Look for the outbox folder. This is where emails that couldn't be sent will be stored. Number 3, tap on the queued email. Open the email that says queued or qued. How do you even pronounce that? It usually indicates that it couldn't be sent due to a lack of internet connection or other issues. Number 4, retry sending. If you have a good internet connection, tap on the send button again. This should attempt to send the email. Number 5, edit or delete. If you want to make changes, you can edit the email and then send it. If you no longer want to send it, you can delete it from the outbox. All right. Number 6, check your connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet because sometimes a weak or lost connection can cause emails to get queued. All right. So follow these steps. They should help you clear any queued emails in Gmail.